This video has been brought to you by Chording Pro. As the first episode, we need to type print. Then open brackets and close brackets. But now we have to type without the double quotes. For an example, we will type 58 plus 23. And then click the play button. And now you can see the answer, 81. And now we will try a division example. We will type 58 dividing by 2. And now you can see the answer. And now we will try by multiplying the two numbers. The answer is 116.
Subscribe for more videos and hit the like button.